Hi, my name is Tess Walls, skin therapist helping people to celebrate the skin they're in for 3 decades. What we're going to be talking about today are dark circles. How do I get rid of dark circles? If I had a penny for every time someone has told me that in my 30 years of being a skin therapist. It is such a common question. There are so many things that can cause dark circles around the eyes, but some of the most common ones are lack of sleep, poor diet, dehydration around the eye area, genetics is another big one, and just overall circulation around that area. So how do you improve dark circles? We have to obviously look at those things and try to improve them. So number one, lack of sleep. Try and obviously we know all the tips to do before bedtime, but try not to be on your tech devices before bed. Have at least 30 minutes before you go to sleep just to wind down and relax. You could use something like an essential oil for some deep breathing. Jamaica Cappuccini, we've got a little roll-on relax oil that actually comes in a little applicator like this. So that could be something that you could do some nice deep breathing before bed. Another thing we could do is obviously look at our diet. Clean up your diet, lots of fresh fruit and vegetables and lots of water. But what can we do externally? One main thing is hydration. Hydrate, hydrate, hydrate. Because the more we hydrate, the more we're going to increase the circulation around the eye tissue, and we are going to then help to drain any fluid and stimulate oxygenation around the eyes. This is naturally going to help dark circles, and it will also help puffiness. So ensure you cleanse. When you're cleansing your eyes, I would recommend a specific eye cleanser. So we actually have a product in Jamaica Cappuccini called Eye Makeup Remover. This is a treatment eye cleanser. It contains hyaluronic acid, and it also contains lactic acid and chamomile. So the hyaluronic will actually help to saturate the eye area with lots of moisture, and the lactic acid helps to stimulate circulation, which is exactly what we need. It not only removes eye makeup, but it actually doubles up as a treatment. So you can pop it on a couple of cotton pads, put them over the eyes, and lay down for 15 to 20 minutes. This will give the skin a nice big drink, and it will help to stimulate circulation. Our step number 2 is use a toning lotion. And I know that sounds really strange because it's specifically designed for the face, but I take mine right up underneath the eye area. We can also combine a little bit of massage with this. So I recommend Exotherapy O2 toning lotion. Pour about a size of a 5-cent piece into your hand, and then literally what you're going to do is take it right up under the eyes. So you can apply it all over the skin. But what I do is I use my middle fingers, and my hands, unfortunately, but fortunately for my eyes, are always cold. So we put them in the middle part of the eye, and we're literally going to drain towards the temple. And even doing this 5 or 6 times in the morning and 5 or 6 times at night is going to help with circulation. Another thing we can do is we can use a hyaluronic acid around the eye area. This again is going to stimulate circulation and improve hydration around the eyes. The more we can get things moving, think of it a little bit like when you're stressed. Everything is tight, okay? All your muscles are tight. The same thing happens with your skin. When it is sitting stagnant, everything is tight, which means the dark circles are going to be more visible because our circulation is really poor. So remember, hydrate, circulate, massage. Don't push and pull the eye area, but just gentle movements outwards. We have a couple of eye creams that actually have massage tools built into them. So Illuminating Detox Formula in the SRNS range comes in a tube, and the top of the tube is a metal applicator which is designed perfectly to sit on the skin so you can actually do some circulation stimulation around the eyes. Another one I love is the Time Expert Lift Eye Cream. This actually has illuminating pigments in it, so it bounces actually the light off the surface of the skin, so cosmetically it's perfectly designed for minimizing dark circles. It actually has circulation actives in there. You use about the size of a grain of rice onto the middle fingers and then literally pat it underneath the eye area. And then we're going to use this little massage tool. You can't actually see it through the video, but it's quite heavy and it's perfectly designed because it has a flat edge. And remember I said I was using my finger before? You actually can use this one up under the eyes to stimulate your circulation. It's also nice and cool, and it's even better, you could keep it in the fridge and then just take it out 20 minutes before you're going to use it, and it will still be quite cool in temperature, which is perfect for stimulating circulation around the eyes. So hopefully this helps to give you a few tips on how you treat dark circles around the eyes. So if you have any more questions, don't hesitate to reach out to the team or look through the website. Until next time, take care. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.